Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while, but here it is. 2008 Ducati Hypermotard 1100, now equipped with Competition Werkes GP slip-on, which has a cat eliminator, as well, if you can see this here, as well as an MWR High-Efficiency Air Filter. And now for the moment everyone's been waiting for. We're going to have to wait till things start to warm up a little bit more before we can actually take it out and hear what it sounds like on the road. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.